Would you believe me if I told you that the audio that you are hearing right now is coming straight from the Sudotack USB microphone that only costs $48? And that's right, you've heard correctly. It only costs $48, and yet it comes as a full package with a boom arm, a pop filter, and a sock filter. Hey, what's up everybody? If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Swol. I gotta hit the flex every time, I'm so sorry, it's a habit. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get your Sudotack USB microphone sounding exactly like this. It was actually really quick to do, and we're gonna keep this video brief, bright, and short. And then before we leave, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and go check out my Twitch page where I'm live Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. Sorry, shameless plug-in. Okay, step one. Let's set up this USB microphone. What's amazing about the Sudotack USB microphone is that it comes as a full package. You're going to find it coming with a boom arm, with a pop filter, with a sock filter. I mean, I didn't even know it was called a sock filter until the stream taught me this today. I was like, no ways, no ways. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set up that boom arm, which is actually really quick and really easy to do. Make sure that you have space on your desk for it to attach, for the clamp to attach. And then the boom arm itself is actually really nice. It's actually very sturdy, very responsive. It has a little bit of bounce to it. Make sure it doesn't knock you out, because it almost knocked me out a couple times while setting it up. So make sure to set it up on that boom arm as soon as possible, because while I was streaming and we were testing out live, I was holding it really close to my mouth and it was getting very scratchy, very loud. The chat didn't like it at all. But now I realize that this microphone is actually made so that it can be actually not as if you want to French kiss it. I know it's a beautiful looking microphone. It's got a nice weight to it, but it just needs its personal space. So just make sure that you're not trying to French kiss it. You know, you want to get it a bit away from your mouth. That's where the boom arm comes in handy. Then to attach the pop filter, I didn't even know how to attach this pop filter. I had to go quickly check on Amazon. It literally just attaches to the boom arm over here, which you can see me just nicely touching it. That's awkward. Okay, step 2. Next thing what we want to do is we want to add filters to this thing. I know the glorious filters, but I've been able to tweak it and change it till it's sounding pretty good like this. So you want to open up your slobs or OBS. And actually, quick question for you guys: do you guys use OBS or do you use slobs? I'm currently still in slobs, trying to make the switch over to OBS, but I'm a bit lazy and I need to find the time to move over. Okay, so once you're inside slobs or your OBS, you want to go to where your microphone settings is. For me, it's over here under the mixer settings, and here you can see it's picking me up. It's registered as microphone USB condenser. If it's not showing up here, go to your settings over here, then go to your audio and make sure to enable it as a mic auxiliary device or mic/auxiliary device. So make sure to select it right there. Then you're going to see it over here. You'll see it's picking me up right now. Then what you want to do is you want to click on this cogwheel icon that's just over here, and then you want to go to filters, edit filters. We're going to be adding these 4 to it. We'll get to VS2 plugin later, but what we're first going to add is noise suppression. To add that, just go add filter, and then you're going to type noise, or just click over here and click noise suppression. Now all I need you to do is actually just copy my settings. So if you need to pause at any point, you can do that and then just copy them right over there. So the first one I added was a noise suppressor. I know I've got it on 0, but it makes a difference, weirdly enough. Maybe you don't need it, maybe you do, but I found that it makes a bit of a difference. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to add a compressor. Now these are my settings for the compressor. I've got my ratio set to 40, threshold minus 28.6, attack 388, my release is 92, and my output gain is 9. And then the next thing we're going to add is an expander. So the expander, we're going to start over here, and the ratio is going to be 2.0, threshold minus 40, attack 10, release 50, output gain, I've left it on 0 because you can adjust it just over here. The next thing we need to do is we need to go to gate. Now gate's going to help you from picking up other sounds like your keyboard, but I just want to let you know it's still going to pick up if you have a mechanical blue cherry keys. If you have a blue, I don't know, the blue one. If you have a blue stick, I don't even know what it's called, help me. Okay, gate. So ratio 10, threshold minus 40, attack 10, release 125, output gain, I've left it over to 0. The next thing that we're going to add is a VS2 plugin. Well, it's a Marvel GEQ. I'm going to put the link to this in the description. What you're going to do is you're going to download it, you're going to install it into your OBS or slobs, and you're going to have your OBS open while you do it. But then what you need to do is you actually need to close your OBS and then reopen it once it's fully installed. I promise it's a safe program. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go add filter, and then you're going to check over here, and VS2 plugin should be available, and then you're going to click add. So once you're in here, what you want to do is it's going to always automatically open when you open up your OBS or your slobs. So what you're going to do is you're going to click open plugin interface, and it's actually going to bring up this little menu over here, right over here. And then what you want to do is you want to go to your presets and set it to bright and bassy. That is what I use. It's one of the presets set right for you, and boom, voila. And that's it. Now you're going to be sounding absolutely beautiful. And as the famous YouTube video of mine that went viral, you're going to be sounding sexy. That video is so cringe. I hope no one watches it. Why did that have to be my viral video? But anyways, if you want to help me out, you're going to check me out on Twitch Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays. Sometimes a sneaky Tuesday stream, 8:30 South African Standard Time. I'm going to be using this microphone for a while, so I'd love to hang out with you guys and talk about it. We can play games together. We can chill together. It's never the same without you guys. And if you're looking for an amazing community to be a part of, I just launched a new Discord channel where you can find workouts, you can find recipes. I'd love to join you with you guys, connect with you guys on a deeper level outside of YouTube. So make sure to join that there, and I'll see you guys when I'm live again. Remember, Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, 8:30 South African Standard Time. It's never the same without you guys. I love you guys long time.